The vegetables haven't been planted yet, the fish pipes are all planted. This is peaceful and cozy. These taro stems have grown tall again. Remove this leaf. Sister, you were picking vegetables in the garden. You said you wanted to eat cold noodles. Oh, yes. The weather is hot. I can't eat hot stir-fried dishes. Make some cold noodles, they are refreshing. Eating cold noodles on a hot day is the coziest thing. That's right. I'll get some taro stems to put inside. It also needs to be refreshing and delicious. Sister, you go back and start the fire. I'll go wash these vegetables and be right back. All right. Sister, is the fire started yet? It's started. I'll come cut the vegetables. Ah. Add some salt. Turn up the fire big. Only these noodles are cozy. Alright, just cook it half done. That's good. Put it inside and steam it for a bit. Okay, that's it. First, heat up this oil. Look at this. All right. Lift it up, let it cool down, and then mix it. It's cooled down, let's mix it together. This is comfortable. Kelp. Ginger and garlic. Cucumber. Carrot. Taro stem. Pickled cowpeas. Coriander. Soy sauce. Chicken essence. Salt. Chili oil. It smells so good. Come. It smells so good. Bring it here. Catch it. It really smells so good.
Sister, not only does this smell good, this is also refreshing and delicious.
Eating a bite of this is better than drinking 10 cups of well water. It's delicious, you should eat more. That basin. If you can't finish it, just take it as dinner.
That's right. I eat a lot.
If you like this my video, please subscribe my channel.